Hello, everyone. I am Natasha, your English teacher. So today, in our second class of shadowing, we will practice how to speak in English when you are going to buy clothes in a shopping mall. So let's start without any delay. So this is a dialogue between a customer and a shop assistant. First, I will speak all the dialogues so that you will learn how you have to pronounce them. So let's start. Excuse me, how much is this sweater? That one is $45. It's nice, but do you have this in a different size? Yes, we have it in medium and large. Can I try this on? Of course. Excuse me, where can I find the fitting rooms? They are just right behind the corners. Thank you. Also, is this on sale? Yes, there is a 20% discount on all knitwear today. Excuse me, how much is this sweater? It's nice, but do you have this in a different size? Can I try this on? Excuse me, where can I find the fitting rooms? Thank you. Also, is this on sale? Nice. Let's start round 3 of practice, in which you will speak the first sentence and I will speak the second sentence. Okay, start. That one is $45. Yes, we have it in medium and large. Of course. They are just right behind the corners. Subscribe for more dialogues and latest updates.